Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide the Grammarly icon. If you're finding that little green circle distracting while you work, or you simply want a cleaner writing space, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to remove it from view. Let's jump right in. Start by opening a browser window and navigate to www.grammarly.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and sign in to your account if you haven't already. After entering your credentials, you'll be directed to your Grammarly dashboard where all your documents are stored and ready to access. Once you've successfully signed in and your documents have loaded up, we can move forward with hiding the Grammarly icon. The process is quite straightforward, and it works similarly whether you've installed the browser extension or the Windows app. For this tutorial, we'll cover both methods so you can choose whichever applies to your setup. We'll start with the browser extension using Google Docs, then move on to the Windows installation with Microsoft Word. First, let's tackle the browser extension. Open Google Docs in a new browser tab. You can do this by typing docs.google.com into your address bar or simply searching for Google Docs. Once you're in, create a new document or open an existing one. You'll notice the Grammarly icon sitting in the bottom right corner of your screen. It's that familiar green circle that usually pops up when you're typing. Simply click on it to open the Grammarly panel. Inside the panel, you'll see a toggle or an option labeled Off. Click on this and the Grammarly icon will disappear from your Google Docs interface. This instantly hides the icon and gives you a cleaner workspace while you write. The extension will still be installed in your browser, but it won't actively show up in your document anymore. Now let's move on to Microsoft Word for the Windows installation. Open a new Microsoft Word document on your computer. Just like in Google Docs, you'll notice the Grammarly icon positioned in the bottom right corner of your screen. This time, instead of just clicking on it, you'll need to right-click on the icon to access additional options. A small menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Quit Grammarly. This action will close the Grammarly application entirely and remove the icon from your Microsoft Word interface. If you want to use Grammarly again later, you'll simply need to reopen the app from your desktop or Start menu. And that's it. You've successfully hidden the Grammarly icon from both Google Docs and Microsoft Word. Whether you're working in your browser or on the desktop app, you now have a cleaner, distraction-free writing environment whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.